We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Ja, dann siehst du halt den Schatten, ist ja noch gut. Das Einzige finde ich mit dem Navigieren ist nicht so.
Ja, okay.
Look at the weather, guys. Actually, so bad. Actually, look at the weather. It's just rainy as hell. Actually.
What's up, guys? Another day done actually. So, the light is not. Why is this light not going on? So another day, and yeah, I'm now going to sleep. It's already 11 p.m. Today, yeah, was actually a good day. Bam. A lot to do lately, but we're getting things done. And today was actually rest day. And tomorrow I have to help with all the furniture to bring it to a new home for my sister. Actually, I don't know how it's called in English, but yeah. Kind of much to pack on and to pull and like stuff to go down to bed, guys. Wish you good night and see you next time.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, give a thumbs up or subscribe to the channel. See you next time.